Yeah, in this video, we are going to do slotting. Okay, so go to File, Open, Open from my computer, and select number 10, slotting. We're going to change the orientation, but let's check the settings first. This will be our front, and this corner will be our home. For the design, manufacture, units are still in millimeters. Let's change that to inches. Okay, you're going to go to 2D and look for slot. Oops, sorry. We don't want to do that yet. We didn't set it up. Let's go to setup. Same thing that we've been doing before. Z axis and get more origin, and then we're gonna go to stock, no addition. What you want to do, use your mouse to zoom in. You might have to hold down shift and hold down the wheel to slowly orient this, because we want to get a view of this one and the outside line. Okay, so we're gonna click OK here. We're gonna go to 2D and then slot. Um, we need to inspect. So we're going to click on inspect. We're going to inspect that edge to this edge and see what is um, the distance. So the distance is 0.125 right there. It's kind of dark. You can't really see it. That's okay. Close it. So that means with the tool we're going to use needs to be 0.125. So the quarter inch. So under my tool sim, you'll have a quarter inch. Oh, an eighth inch, sorry. 0.125 is an eighth. So this is the only option that we have. And we're going to use that and then select. So it's very important that you select when you design something. It's very important that you know what tools you can use. And so when you have to do something like this, you know that you have a 1/8 tool that can do the job. Let's change this feed rate to 20. And let's go to geometry. And you're going to select the inside bottom edge and then orient this. Oh, here I can see this right here. That's the other bottom edge. So that's the slotting area. And we're gonna click on heights. The bottom height is the selected contour. So remember I selected those two lines. That's in the very bottom. So that should be your bottom height. Um, let's go to passes. There are no step overs because you're using the full diameter of the tool. You're gonna go to multiple depths and get half of 0.125. So what is half of that? It's 0.0625. So the roughing step down should be 0.0625. Okay, click OK. All right, let's check with actions, simulate. Okay, and remember you can get the time that it takes to machine this. If you go to statistics, well, under simulate, it'll take about 6 minutes or between 6 and 7 minutes. Okay, one thing I need you guys to realize is that the process of slotting, you'll notice that the lines are actually uh, slowly decreasing. The height is slowly decreasing. So you notice it's slanted. Okay, and that's to prevent the tool from breaking. Um, and um, too much ramp. I guess you call this ramp. Too much ramping will put a lot of pressure on the tool. Okay, and that's it. So make sure you exit simulation. Save your work. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.